Treisha's Kiddies Korner. Remember always to like, share, subscribe.
Today we're going to make the color purple. Purple is a secondary color.
Now, the boys and girls will be mixing two colors to get purple. What two colors are they mixing? Awesome! They are mixing red and blue together. Yay! Come along. Let's see if they really are going to get the color purple. Come on, boys and girls. Rub, 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 rub. They are rubbing the red Play-Doh and the blue Play-Doh together. Yay! What color do you think they are going to get when they rub these two colors together? When they mix these two primary colors together? Red is a primary color and blue is a primary color. And when they mix these two primary colors together, they will get a new color. They will get a secondary color. They will get the color. The color. Let's see. Can you see a color? Can you see a new color? Come on, Saeem. Yes, rub. Yes, come on, Daniela. Rub. Come on, rub those two colors together. Rub. Yes, you're doing fine. You're doing great. Go ahead and rub. Yes, rub. Kenelia is rubbing the two colors together. Rub. Yes, and here goes Noel. And Noel is rubbing. Can you see a new color forming? Rub. Shake one. Go shake one. Go. Go shake one. Go. Can you see a new color? Oh, yes. What color do you see? I see the color purple. Yay. So red and blue make purple. Go. Rub it. Purple. Say purple. Say purple. Say purple. Say purple. Purple. Shout purple. Red and blue make purple. Red and blue make purple.
Bye.